Hey, it's Tim. BMW X3 3.0 liter. Got a cylinder 6 misfire. Let's see. Woo! Shakety, shakety, shake. Well, let's go out of here and see what's going on. Alright, well, I narrowed it down. I moved the number 6 coil. That's just something I do, make it life easier. I moved number 6 coil to number 1. It's just something that makes it a little bit quicker to diagnose, so you don't go chasing around injectors and compression. And now it's cylinder 1 misfire. So if you got one like this, I'm going to show you in a minute. We're going to replace it. Tell the customer we need a coil. But if you got any vehicle, this will work on any vehicle, and you're concerned about a misfire, just switch the coils. And of course, if it comes up with a misfire on the one that you switched it to, well, then you know. So I'm going to put another coil in here and we'll check it out. All right, got the value craft C0638BC. They're all made in China now, so don't kid yourself thinking you're gonna get something better. Probably the BMW is probably made in China. Of course, it just pushes in. You can plug it up first, line it up, it doesn't matter. But make sure, let me show you. Just make sure that you kind of either way you want to do it, you can line it up, plug it up like that, close your clip, close it good, let's set it down in there. Make sure they seat in there good. And that's about it. Then we'll go in there and clear the codes out. Okay, we'll go in here and erase these. Alright. BMW don't like cold. Alright, that one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching. Yeah, come on.